Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete your account on Mobile Legends. Alright, let's begin. First, open the game and make sure it is updated to avoid any issues. Once inside, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner, then navigate to the Account tab where you will find various account settings. From there, select Account Center on the right side and look for the Cancel Account option. Tapping on Cancel Account will open a browser window where you need to accept the terms. Scroll down, tap on Next, and repeat the process on the following page. Tap on Next one more time to proceed. Finally, you will be prompted to sign in to complete the deletion process. Simply enter your login credentials, and once you sign in, your Mobile Legends account will be deleted permanently. So that's basically how you can delete your account on Mobile Legends. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.